Kentucky girl, in the holler she stays, loves her Lord and her simple ways. With dogs by her side and family tight, every dawn she greets morning light. Diamond painting in a cool night breeze, horses running free where shadows freeze. Fairies whisper where the greenery grows, grace in her heart as the river flows. She loves Jesus and gives him praise, grateful for life's graceful faith. Color green, her favorite scene, in a world where faith is king.
Hello everyone, this is Sherry at KY Philly Diamond Painting and More. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for taking time out of your precious day to spend it with me to see what I have to show you. And today we are going to look at some of the budget-friendly diamond paintings that I have in my stash that I have not shown on my channel. But before we get started, I want to remind you guys that we are promoting autism awareness this month, the month of April, and I am dedicating my live streams on Thursdays at 6 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Mountain, 4 p.m. Pacific, and 7 p.m. Eastern here in the United States to autism awareness. You are welcome to join in with any craft that you want to. The colors are rainbow. The symbol is the puzzle piece or a rainbow ribbon. So if you guys would like to join in, you can just do a rainbow colored diamond painting, crochet, color page, whatever craft that you desire to do. And when you post your videos, please just do the hashtag autism coloring and diamond painting, hashtag coloring and diamond painting and more, I think is what Miss Southern Belle said that at. And I at Kentucky or KY Philly Diamond Painting and More am hosting this. There will be no prizes. This is just to raise awareness about autism and to talk about, you know, a little bit about what that is all about. So anyway, I just wanted to bring that up. And if you are participating, thank you. If you do not have content on your channel, you can take a photo and post that also on your community page, on your community post. You can, and if you need help to do that, please reach out to either myself, Star, Miss Southern Belle, or someone else that you know and you feel comfortable speaking with on how to do that. So thank you for that. So now I'm going to go ahead and get started. Again, these are budget friendly. Don't know where I got them. Most of these are going to come from Temu, I will tell you that. So let's just see. Let's take you out just a tad. And so we make sure we get these in straight. A little bit more. There we go. Oh, this is a beautiful landscape. So it just comes with your typical toolkit here. Let's give this a little roll. Get it straightened out for you. Oh, this is very pretty. So this is like a mountain lake scene. I see a little dock there. And there's some flowers behind it here. Lots of pretty pinks and purples and greens. A lot of confetti in this one. But it is quite pretty. Little path leading down here. Mountains in the background. And let's have a look at the drill field. I'm going to bring it down. When I try to bring this up to the camera, the drill field doesn't come out so well. But I am going to lift this up because it looks like, okay, there we go. So there are some light symbols on here. These are all letters in random order. So let's come out a little so we can look at the drills. And here are those pretty drills: greens, purples, yellows, pinks. Very pretty. A lot of color in that. There's 24 colors in this little 30 by 40, if I didn't say. This is round drill, and I think all of these are going to be round drills. So, if they're not, I will let you know. So there's the first one. Let's see, the second one. Okay, now this one, if you guys have followed me for a little bit, you will have already seen this. However, this is, I've already completed this one. But I have a duplicate. So we will have a look at this. Again, just your typical toolkit. And let's go back out. There we go, so you can see him. This is little Dumbo, and let me tell you, he was really fun to do. He has 21 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 9, and then 10 through 21 are uppercase letters in alpha order. He has a lot of really pretty blues in this. This was really a lot of fun to do, and he turned out so cute. I think I have a short showing the completion of this one. So let's go ahead and look at the drill field real quick. Just a quick look. So you can see it's very clear. I didn't have any issues whatsoever with this. And it was so, so fun. All right, we're gonna come out. Let's have a look at the colors. Look at the blues. There's some light lavender color there. A lot of color in this, and the colors are as bright as the canvas guys. They are. They are beautiful. This turned out so good. So there's that one. All right. What do I have next? Let's go back. Okay. I hope you guys are enjoying my stash videos. I have so many diamond paintings that, you know, I put myself on a very low buy, and I have ordered a few, and but I won't be ordering a lot. We will be looking at my stash for the most part, unless there's something that I find out there that I just have to have, or I can't pass up the price. Now this one is pretty. If you like pinks and blues and purples, look at that. Pretty butterflies. This one has 22 colors, and the symbols on it are all Alpha in random order. That's quite pretty. A lot of confetti. There's a little bit of line blocking in here. A little line blocking. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Let's have a look at the drill field. There you go. Like I said, there's a little line blocking in there, but a lot of confetti. All right. And let's have a look at these colors. So this just comes again with your typical toolkit. These are the colors. I'm hoping that that's just a glare that I'm seeing and you're not seeing it. Look at those pretty colors. Wow, beautiful. I think that's pretty well. You can see. Really, really pretty. That is just gorgeous, y'all. It's gorgeous. I like that one. Next, this one is also 30. These are all 30 by 40s, I think. Now, this one, I remember my mother had a picture of this with the little boy over my bed when I was a child in my room. So here, just your typical toolkit. And I'm gonna give it a roll back. And I do have a little boy that goes with this, but this is the little praying girl. And I had this one and the little boy over my bed. It was so cute, and so when I saw it, it just reminded me of that. I was quite young. I think I was like 4 years old. Yeah, she's cute. I don't know how well oh, there's air bubbles in this. Let me push those out. You hear that? All right, I think I got the majority of them out. But there. She has 18 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way through 8, and 9 through 18 are uppercase letters in alpha order. And here are the drills. Blues and greens and peaches. There you go. Drill field. Let's come down. There is some color blocking in this one, quite a bit. There, and then here you have her little face. Or is that her hands? I don't know what I got there. Let's come out and we'll see. Yeah, that's her face. Little face. Praying hands. I think this is cute. It's very cute. All right, I have one more to show you guys. Just one more. Yeah, you hear my little clicker over there. I believe this is the Eiffel Tower in the distance. There's some flowers. There's a little lantern. Typical toolkit. I'm not sure how well this will turn out, but some pretty flowers. It looks like a little, I don't know if that's what that is down there. If you look in the camera. Oh, a little table. So it's looking out at the scenery there. This one is 25 colors. One is 1, 2 is 2 all the way through 9, and 10 through 25 are uppercase letters in alpha order. That's a pretty scene. Pretty scene. And these are kitted up in the zip top bags for you. And this is going to brighten this diamond painting up. These colors are vibrant. Very vibrant colors here, guys. We'll look at the drill field. There is quite a bit of color blocking in this up here, up in here, and then you can see down here, there's some confetti. Yeah. All right. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you so very, very much for joining me. I appreciate you taking time out of your day for that. Remember, show the love of Jesus in everything you do. Be kind to others even when they're not kind to you. You never know what someone else might be going through. And give someone a kind word or a smile. You never know what a difference you might make to that person. God bless each and every one of you. Till next time, I'll see ya. Bye now.